everyone, it's the Kenny Crafter and we are here for day 18 of our Buzz December daily. So I didn't get a chance to do a video yesterday, but to show you what I made. So I used excuse me, it has been such a busy day. I used the prompt about the stitching, prompt 22. So I had a rake around and I found this was a pillowcase. Isn't she gorgeous? And I think I made an elf with this a couple of years ago. This snowflake material, and these are for tea towel. And I have one of them. I bought one of those sewing machines where you can do different stitches. It's like computerized. And I thought this was the perfect opportunity to experiment. I chose that stitch by accident. I thought I was doing like a proper zigzag to sort of encase the edges. I selected the wrong option, but I love it. And then just some gems to finish it off because I thought it was a bit flat. So today we're working on the reverse of number 7. And I'm going to do, from 23, use 3 different washi tapes. I don't really use my washi tapes. So I pulled out all of the festive looking ones. There they are. Ooh, that one was hiding there. So I need to whittle this down to 3. Ah, stop rolling. And what I was thinking was whether this works or not, I have no idea. I have these mitten dies. And I thought I would cover a piece of card in washi and then cut the mitten dies out of that. So what 3 do I want to use? I like one of these with the sentiment on 'tis the season or Merry Christmas. I think I like, let's go with the pink. Stay. So we can rule that one out. I'm going to say this with the snowflakes just because there doesn't seem much left, and if I can use that up and get that out. So a third one, I don't know if this is washi tape or if it's sellotape. It's like a low tax sellotape. I think I'm going to go with that, you know. But then is that a washi tape? I put it in my washi tape box. Can I bend the rules? It's a decorative tape. I call it washi tape. It's either going to be that or one of those. No, I'm going to go with it. I'm just going to go with it. So this piece of card isn't a lovely piece of card, and I'm going to cover it up. Let's choose another piece of card instead. Yeah, I'll get those 2 out of there. So do I want my washi, the design, to go left to right, top to bottom, or on an angle? Hold on, the dog is chirping to be down the stairs and he can't go without the light on. I put the light on. Oh, decisions. Why are these decisions so hard to make? Should we just go across? Probably don't need scissors, I can probably just rip it. And that's how you know it's not washi tape. I had to put it on purpose because that's... Okay. I've got washi on a bit of card now. Do I go in that way? that way. Okay, then I'm going to cut these out. So here we are. I just need to do some removals. So I think because I've pushed those out, I want to back them onto something. I'm wondering, this gold, shiny gold, or something out of the Christmas scraps. What about like this? No, it's too, it's not the right colour. About this one? Nope, wrong pattern. Maybe? Nope. Quite like that colour. The pastel shade goes very nice with the pink and the light blue. So let's move here out of the way. Plus it's going to give it some stability. I don't know if you can see, but it's got a weak point. Now cut them out. The other thing I could have done, which I've just thought of, is die cut those bits again out of this card and then infilled with the green, but that would have been really fussy with those tiny little bits. And normally I would have looked at this card and thought, oh, I need to keep that for them snowflakey bits, and would have hunted on for something else and not used it. I would have hoarded it. But get me, I used it. So I was thinking they could go on like that. Then those like that. Ooh. It's that. And then something like that. But now obviously we need a background because I'm not happy with the white. As you can see, it's very... So I have my scrappy tag, I'm going to call them. So I'm just trying to get the pin back in my glue. I've given up. We have our mittens. I'm going to put our alien up here with one of them mitten snowflakes behind it. And those snowflakes there. So we'll put this snowflake down first, and I'm just wondering if I want to pop those mittens up with some foam, and if we need some string. I think I'll have string out on my desk. You know what I don't have? Tissue. I ran out of tissue and I didn't replenish it. I found a wet wipe, but I don't think that's going to work much, is it? It's wet. Okay, And let's put our 18 down. Beginning to wish I'd used these on yesterday's tag, giving it a bit more dimension. But I think I'd used them on the day before. Yeah, which is probably why I didn't use them. Wanted a bit of variety. Okay, let's put these down. And the beauty about using these is they're not going to get lost in a box of a drawer waiting to be used, because I used them already. Okay. I'm thinking some dimension. And I'm running low on these. Have to go get some out of my that pot. I've stuck that on there like that. So, I have that like that. And I've sort of used the washi tape in the same way I use these scraps, haven't I? That just occurred to us. Oh, I think I stuck that too high up. Oh, whew. What do I think? You see that dimension? Okay, string. I've literally just seen it here. Wow, you have like mitten minders. Oh, that would be so cute. And then let's see what. If I hold that there, and that there. Huh, because we now have to consider the back. I think that'll be fine. I should have it shorter. So, I like it like that though. Wait, hang on, let's. And it sort of naturally fell like that. Do you know what I mean? So easier glue. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. This is gonna be fun. Okay. I'll put a bit of glue here. A bit more glue than that, I think. That's a minuscule amount of glue. And then I'll put a bit here. I want to put a bit next to this snowflake. I think a bit next to this number 1. Oh, look at it. And hang on, we'll just quickly flip it. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Got the gems out just in case. Got some gorgeous pink ones left, and I just think that'll pull in the pink from that 'Tis the Season. And normally, because there was this few left, I would hold them, but you know what, I can always order more. Oh, guess what? I love it. And I use 3 different types of washi tape. And I think that's so cute. I was just going to do the conventional, you know, a Christmas tree out of strips of washi tape. But I'm glad I didn't. We've got 1 of these left. But I think because we've got 3 there. No. No. Less is more. So there we have day 17 and 18. I was loving 17, but now I'm really loving 18. I think that string just finished it off. I'm glad I thought of it. Oh yay! I love it. So yes, I think I'm going to do more things like that, because I have all of these washi tapes that I don't use because I don't know how to use them. And I had pulled out the Christmas tree tags. I didn't know if I was going to do a Christmas tree. I thought that was just too predictable. But I think I might make a couple of Christmas trees from these washi tapes. So, I'm going to tell you now, for day 19, I've sort of picked what I wanted, because instead of just doing it at random, because there was some prompts that I really wanted to do. So tomorrow is use a stamp as a focal point, and I have so many Christmas stamps and I'm so excited, and I don't know which one to pick. Yeah, too many choices. I have so many Christmas craft supplies. I think next year might just be the year of Christmas crafting, who knows? Who knows? So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I'm the Kenny Crafter, and I'll see you next time. Bye!